Topping the news tonight, the Prime Minister has labeled it illegal, but the Trade Union Congress say they have had enough. The union and its 14 affiliates comprising the Bahamas Nurses Union, the Doctors Union, Bahamas Customs Immigration and Allied Workers Union and more have initiated industrial action. The move impacting critical government services on Grand Bahama. TUC President Obi Ferguson has charged it is time for a reckoning and government will face the might of workers over issues that for too long have gone unresolved. Cleopatra Murphy has the details of how that looked on Grand Bahama.
I get 2 broken ribs, I got a fractured wrist, fractured elbow, and my shoulder was out of place. I was supposed to see the specialist today. I'm in plenty pain.
A planned national strike by the Trade Union Congress and its affiliate unions is having real-world consequences for patients like Ramon King, who showed up at the Paris Plaza Specialty Clinic only to be turned away and his appointment rescheduled because doctors and nurses did not show up for work.
And they said he can't help me because everybody on strike.
And he flipped over a couple times in his car. So he was in the hospital for 7 days. I was over here for 7 days with him. We went back to Abaco, and they told us to come back on the 13th and the 14th to see specialists, 2 specialists he have to see.
King and his mother, Patrice Neely from Abaco, arrived on Sunday and were set to leave on Wednesday, the day his appointment has been rescheduled for. She says the strike is a grave inconvenience as it not only prolongs her son's pain, but it is also an added expense as they will have to extend their stay.
I don't know what's going on. You're saying you need more money, but people's health is at risk, you know. If the government, if y'all could pay the people what they need to be paid, it would be better for all of us. You know, we'll get better service too.
From healthcare to education, services were impacted. Students at Walter Parker Primary left for morning, while students at Hugh Campbell Primary School left at midday. Parents are weighing in.
Not everyone can leave work to come and collect these kids. Y'all had ample time to let us know what was going on. Do better.
I don't feel the type of way. I mean, it throw us off from having to pick up, yes, but I guess everybody have to do what they have to do.
While the Bahamas Union of Teachers did not participate in the strike, the Bahamas Educators, Counselors, and Allied Workers Union did. Deputy Director of Education on Grand Bahama, Michelle Boleg, says while some schools had more than 50% of teachers and educators in, a sufficient number were absent, prompting the noon closure.
I'd like to thank teachers, like I said, those who showed up, school administrators that showed up today, and especially education officer, DEOs, district superintendents that went into schools making sure of the safety of our students, and that was paramount.
As for health services, all community health clinics on Grand Bahama remain open, while the PHA says it activated protocols to ensure the safety of in-house and acute care patients. Now, for persons requiring emergency services, they are advised to visit the Rand Memorial Hospital's emergency department. For the Bahamas Tonight, the Northern Edition, I'm Cleopatra Murphy.